Well, I'm still in disbelief a bit. Yeah, it just sort of fell to me and I got it in the net. So yeah, I think I'm happy to score, but obviously we know the most important is the result for the team.
It's a bit of a scramble in the box, so wasn't it? But you just head down and get it back.
Yeah, it just fell to me. I just gambled on it and then yeah, just went in luckily.
And then more for you as well, you know, first goal for the 21s, you must be just as delighted as well.
Yeah, I'm over the moon. Obviously, pre-season, didn't have a club, and then obviously Salford took me in, so I was struggling to find somewhere, but I've been working hard for this opportunity. Here now, we can only do what's in front of us, and I'm over the moon to get my first goal for the 21s.
That's the thing as well, this puts us to third in the table, so, you know, great sign. And looking ahead to Germany too, that's going to be a huge challenge, isn't it?
Yeah, obviously we can't qualify now, but our aim is to leave other teams thinking, wow, like even though they can't qualify, they're still putting in a hard shift, and that's our aim, is just to finish as high as we can.